closer to around 925, 940. There are value buyers in Reliance.
What about IT? That's also been a mixed bag in today's trade, but IT stocks actually did pretty well last year. Any particular reason they're under pressure and might not be performing as well as last year this year?
Well, I think IT Infosys post its results has almost fallen around 450 odd rupees. I think now it has made a base around 2850. So I think the worst is already priced in, and today Infosys performed really very well, and even TCS did very well. I see selective stock picking in IT sector, especially in stocks like Infosys and TCS.
And what about pharma? That's touted to be one of the best performing sectors this year.
I believe pharma will be the sector for 2011-12. A lot of one is it is a defensive play, and a lot of companies are indicating a lot of growth potential for the next 2 years. If you see, if you really see Indian pharmaceutical industry, the overall Indian pharmaceutical industry would be around $10 billion, and whereas one drug Lipitor would be around $12 billion. So a lot of lot of positives are there for the pharma sector, and I believe a lot of funds are putting in money in pharma sector at these levels.
You already talked about in the beginning of the show that you're seeing a very stock-specific rally. But if you were to look at certain sectors, where would you put your money? What advice would you have for investors?
I think consumption-related sectors, FMCG, pharmaceuticals, and agro-related sectors, agriculture-related sectors, seeds, pesticides, fertilizers. This is a sector where I feel a lot of potential for next 1 or 2 years.
And what about the mid-cap and the small-cap sector? They were up about 0.5% in trade today, but that sector has also taken quite a bit of a beating in the last couple of months. What's your take on the mid-cap?
I think select mid-caps, there is a lot of value. There's a lot of now the gap between the frontline valuations and the mid-cap valuations is quite huge. I think mid-caps have a lot of catch-up to do, and for the last 5-10 days, I think one is noticing that select mid-caps have started performing well. So I think if one really has a 2 to 3 years view, one will really get quality mid-caps at these levels.
What about capital goods? That was down in trade.
I think capital goods still need some time, because if you see the top 3 capital goods sector, whether it is Siemens, whether it is L&T, whether it is BHEL, both L&T and BHEL still are looking quite weak on the charts, especially BHEL.